Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to cancel Be Real send requests. So guys, this is very easy process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video and watch full video without skipping. So first we tap on Chrome browser and tap on search bar and search Be Real login and tap on Be Real login account login and tap on search bar and tap on pupil icon and you can see tap on your friend and tap on three lines and you will unmark on following option like this and your friend request is cancelled. So guys, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment below and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.